So what's your reaction to the NYSE-Deutsche Börse merger proposal?
I think the merger proposal is great for both entities. It creates one of the largest exchanges in the world. It can be argued the largest. It creates a comprehensive continental European equities business. It creates a European derivatives business that's second to none. It gives NYSE, Euronext American side, a larger position in U.S. options because Deutsche Börse owns the ISE. And it just expands the geographic diversification as well as the asset class diversification of both New York and Deutsche Börse.
What about the potential for another bidder to step in, CME and Nasdaq?
That would be very interesting. You know, I think the CME would very much like the Eurex business or the Life business, or either one or both. And I think that Nasdaq would very much like to take over the New York Stock Exchange. I'm not so sure that the New York Stock Exchange would like to be taken over by Nasdaq. It's going to be what kind of a deal they can put together, and what can they value it for. And if they can get a large enough value, it's going to be hard for the New York guys to walk away from it.
There's been this is one of a slew of consolidation proposals that we've seen lately. What do these tell us about the changing business model here at the exchanges?
I think the challenge with the exchange model is, especially on the equity side of the business, which is why you're seeing the equities being a little bit undervalued as compared to the derivatives, is that the regulators from a global perspective have allowed competition, very fierce competition in the equities market. So there's tremendous, there are new entrants and there's tremendous competitive pressures on the equity side. And because of that, it becomes very difficult to compete against these smaller, more nimble players. So what the exchanges are trying to do is get a wider asset class diversification and a wider geographic diversification, and try to bundle in trading and clearing, which kind of creates a more locked-in trading environment, more able to generate profits than just the trading divorced from the clearing.
Turn to the Deal magazine to see how states are grappling with huge deficits and big budget gaps as the world wonders, can states go bankrupt? And to follow the latest developments in bankruptcy, visit the Deal Pipeline. There you'll find details on recent bankruptcy filings, such as assets, liabilities, creditors, and plans for restructuring. To make sure you won't miss a move, set up customized alerts. Follow a specific company or industry, or choose to receive all our bankruptcy coverage. It's all on the Deal Pipeline today.